F McDonald's. You're probably like, whoa, what did McDonald's do to you? I didn't want to work no minimum wage job. So you know what I did? I did the next best thing. Started selling candy, chips, snacks at school. And that's what we're doing. We're taking over this whole snack selling kingdom, bro. We're the best snack seller on TikTok. We're gonna be the best snack seller on YouTube. Now, I was just sitting back in 6th grade and an idea popped in my head because every day after school, I would walk home and I always see the paletero, the ice cream man. He'd be selling a bunch of chips, candy, and ice creams. And I can't sell ice creams because I don't have a freezer or a cooler. So then I did what he did and sold chips and candy, but in school. But enough of the talk. Let's actually get to the action. Selling snacks at school. We're doing it 3 days. This is day 1. Let's get into it.
I bet YouTube. So we're back in class. You guys can see. I got my homies all around me. But we're gonna see. We're just scoping out the area. We're gonna see everything. Alright, bet guys. So you guys saw in that previous clip that I was just scoping out my area and I was looking at my school to see what's the best spot where I could sell at. I'm only doing this for 3 days. If you guys want me to go longer, comment it down below and I'll go longer for you. So today's Tuesday and tomorrow's big day where we sell. So I'm gonna take you guys along when I pack my bag. So today's Wednesday and this is the day where we actually sell. Let's go pack the bag. Alright, bet. So you can see I got 20 chips in here. I'm packing the bag and that shirt to the left, I'm just gonna put it on top to reduce the noise because when I tap it, it makes a bunch of noise. So we just hitting it, put it in that shirt, and then we could put the drinks in my main bag. So we put them at the bottom because we don't want them smushing the chips, you feel me? Then we put the chips on top and we put the shirt over to reduce the noise. So when I move it, it doesn't reduce the noise. I'm also gonna put all that in my backpack because it didn't fit. You feel me? So I got the Sour Patch, the Twinkies, Ding Dong. So you can see them in there. Look, take a peek, Yeah. So now it's just time to go to school. I already got a bunch of people that saying they want to buy from me. So it's gonna be a bunch of sales. I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can, but no promises because I gotta be making the money. Alright, bet. So we just got to school and you see me, I got the 3 bags. The little one I'm gonna be handing it to some dude. So we're just walking into school with the duffel bag, trying not to be suspicious at all. So this is me handing the bag to my homies. Alright, so we about to start selling and we got to our spot and you could already see there's a bunch of people around here. So like this gets chaotic, bro. Like you have to be built for this. It's like a mindset, sales, entrepreneurship, sales is the man, everything. So you have to see the people crowding me. My fault for the camera, it was acting up, but we still got everything rolling. So you're just gonna look at me making these sales and look at all these people going crazy.
God damn. You feel fucking sweet.
You got ketchup or ketchup? Let's go. Wait, Gary? Yeah. You got a different flavor?
No, Matt. Nope.
Shut up. How much is it? Where's that lemon? How much is it? 2. Hey, Rico.
Okay, Jerry.
Now you could just hear the people going crazy. It was barking my name. They're like, Rico. I was like, dang, bro, chill. I'm trying to get everybody. I was trying to make sure no one was stealing from me. You see people just reaching in. Y'all probably like, oh, yo, don't let them reach in your bag. Yeah, I know. I make sure they paid. And if they sent the cash up, I make sure they send it before they got anything. You feel me? I'm a pro at this.
Those are 2.
I just gave you 2.
I know.
I put it back.
I put it back. Hey, Rico.
Nah, don't say that for nothing. Nigga getting robbed.
Jada, give me the chips right now.
I don't know. No, mames. Don't say that.
Rico, let me get those purple.
Oh.
Hey, can I get that lemon? Hey, slide that lemon.
Nah, I didn't even hear my boy. I just got so much things going on. I didn't hear him. Like right after he paid, I was just already looking for the next customer. You feel me? So I'm just on that businessman. My fault, bro. I appreciate all my customers though, for real.
Run them Doritos, gang. Oh, my fault, gang.
What?
Doritos.
The whole bottle.
Food on feria.
Fuck, Rico.
3 for 2.
Nigga, $3 for 2.
Yes. It's a dollar.
Wait.
This, bro. Y'all seen this, bro. It's good size. Let's go. I only got these.
What's that, bro?
I got candy though.
Oh, yeah, here. Hey. 24?
Yeah. You want 2?
Bro,
No.
you sure?
Yeah, 2 for $1.
So y'all saw that crazy action, but now we in class. We gotta make that sneaky deal on my low. You feel me? I was like, he's like, hey, let me get you candy. I was like, alright, bet. I threw one at him, slid at him, saw him give me the bread. I tried to tell him, damn me up with the bread in it, but he did it. And I also gave the other kid on the other table some candy because he wanted some too. So he's handing him the candy, and then he's like, oh yeah, bro, hey, let me get some in. I was like, alright, bet. Where the money though? Slide the money first. He's like, oh yeah, slide the 5. And look, we got the 5. Let's go. Alright, bet. So lunch is starting. I'm asking these people if they want to buy. He's like, no, I'm broke. I was like, damn. But then we got home and he pulled up right here. He's like, hey, how much are theirs? I'm like, 2 for $1, bro. I'm like, what color you want? Because I'm a businessman. I'm trying to get him like anything, trying to sell him other stuff because you gotta like just capitalize.
You have chips? Yeah.
This?
Yeah, you want candy? You have candy?
Yeah. I got some of these.
Give me the blue one.
What's up, bro?
What you need?
What do you have? Chips?
Llamas. Plama. The Doritos, the purple black.
How much are those?
2. Sure. I got it. You want something else or no? Alright, bet guys, today was a successful day. I made a bunch of money. I just need to go home and count it, see how much I made. Alright, bet y'all, so I was counting up the money. And we got about $80 in cash, including quarters. And then I still gotta check the Cash App. Also, I'm still messing with the camera, so my fault if it looks different in some parts. I'm still trying to get the best settings for y'all. But right now on Cash App, I already got 17. I ordered some stuff on Amazon. And don't worry guys, I got another video coming where it goes either should you go in stores and get stuff or should you order everything online. On Amazon, I got the Capri Suns. This is a 10-pack Pacific Cooler. These are the best sellers and best flavor by far. I also got these caramel green apple lollipops. These didn't really sell, so right now I'm just storing them for whenever I like need something to sell quick. I also be getting my Sour Punches on there. I'll be getting the box of cookies on there because they're cheap. And then I'll also be getting these 25-pack of Takis. And besides the Takis, these are also the other chips I get. The hot Cheetos. I sell these for $1 because I just want to give the people that don't have the $2 a chance to get some, and maybe they'll come back. See, I just use these as an entry level, so when people come back, they'll be like, oh, he got the bigger bags for $1. Let me just bring $2, so it's better sell for me. So I just use that as a marketing tactic, and that's how I get more sales. Free game. Like, I just be trying to look for the best deals. These are not just the only things you can sell. You can sell a bunch of other things. Like I said, this is just like what I'm selling right now and what sells for me. All right, so this is the cash I got. I want you guys to make a guess. Comment down below how much you think this is. This is my first day. How much you think this is? This is a 20 and a 5. This is $72 cash. Got $2 in quarters. Then I also got the Cash App. The stuff that I get on Amazon, I'm gonna have it linked down below. Today's Wednesday. That concludes Wednesday. Today was a good day. I can't wait for tomorrow. Let's go.